What's up, guys? I'm out here with Jordan Hignott, and we are starting on the rear suspension on the 1986 C30. If you haven't been following along, this is a four-wheel drive conversion we're doing. And if you need to know how to do exactly what I'm doing here, converting a two-wheel drive dually to a single-wheel 14-bolt axle, that's what we're doing here, along with a shackle flip on the rear. So hopefully that'll get us close on the amount of lift I need to match the front end. And don't forget to go hit that like and subscribe button so y'all can follow this project along and other projects in the future. We got a lot of stuff in store for y'all. Okay, we've got the bolts loose, and Jordan's gonna attempt to let this heavy ass rear end down. That is a big old rear end.
Yeah, I'm off. I think, yeah, I'm off of it.
Uh-oh, what are we hung on?
Hopes and dreams. Told you.
We got stuff going everywhere.
Hopes and dreams.
Alright guys, so as y'all can see here behind me, I have got the leaf spring brackets, the back leaf spring brackets to do the single wheel 14-bolt axle, all powder coated, and they are pretty badass looking. Got the nice deep red powder coat here with the gloss black. But before I can install those, I have to cut a lot of brackets off of this here truck. We got Jordan over here working on these old fifth wheel brackets.
Sawing away, man, just very easily.
Yeah, gotta be careful. They're welded right to the frame, so. Now this is using your brain right here. That's a big ass pop wrench, Jordan.
She's even got Gorilla Tape.
Yeah.
As a gripper.
They call those torque amplifiers at work, aka cheater bars. But
Yeah.
all right, so after many hours of sweating my balls off, I finally have this frame ready to accept some new rear leaf spring brackets. I don't have to whip the welder out for this. However, just like everything else, none of the bolt holes line up. I think like two of them right here on the back for the shackle flip line up. Other than that, I'm about to have to drill a million holes. As if there's not enough holes already in the frame. It looks like Swiss cheese, but oh well, you gotta do what you gotta do. The front brackets are officially bolted on and done, and they were a pain. I ended up having to slot the inner bracket that I had pulled off of my old 87 truck. But I do have some good news. These back brackets, I'm able to reuse two of the holes. Luckily, the back two holes aligned from the old original bracket. So that is awesome, and I shouldn't have to slot any more holes for these back brackets. But I still have to drill, let's see, 8 more holes and 4 of those are gonna be in the bottom of the frame. So that's gonna suck, but we are not far from being able to put this rear end up underneath this truck. Oh, in the meantime, I found Jordan's retirement fund in his shop here. Probably should hide these things a little better, but he didn't. He's lucky I'm in my car today, or that puppy would be coming home with me. Alright guys, the 4-wheel drive conversion mock-up on this C30 is officially complete. I've still got a few small things left to do, like weld on the shock tabs on the front axle. I've got to figure out where I'm gonna mount shock mounts on the rear. But guys, those are all pretty minor deals. This thing is massive. I'm not sure exactly how much lift is on here, but I'm gonna have to say probably 7 or 8 inches. This thing, dang, it looks good. So here, I'll just give y'all a comparison of me. I'm about 5'9", so this thing pretty high up there. I'm gonna have to get some side steps for it, but alright guys, don't forget to go hit the like and subscribe button. It'll help my channel grow, allow me to continue to do these videos, and I will see y'all next time when we're mocking up the motor and transmission in here. See y'all.